Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So in today's video, we are reviewing the 2022 Mercedes GLC. I have this car right here. I've been driving it for about 24 hours. I just got the car. It is a rental car, which I'm just doing the review on it. So I wanted to give you all my first impressions, and wow, am I blown away with the car. So please thumbs up the video. And really quickly before we get started with the car review, if you're a gig worker for Uber or for Lyft or any of the major gig apps, there's a new app called Solo, which helps you manage your income, manage your expenses. They help you with taxes, and they also now give you guaranteed pay when you go out and drive. So for our audience, when you use our link below, they're gonna send you $10 just for signing up to the app anywhere in the country, completely for free. Sign up with our link and they'll send you $10. Without further ado, let's get started with this review. My friends, I've been blown away with just how much Mercedes has been expanding on their luxury car vehicles. So if you don't know, the Mercedes GLC is, in my opinion, a more sportier SUV. They do have the GLB, which in my opinion is more of a, I mean, it's still a luxury Mercedes SUV, but it's more of a boxier look. This one, as opposed to the GLB, the GLC has a more sportier look in the front. You're still gonna get that, almost that C-Class, S-Class look to the car. And it's just a beautiful looking car. So again, we're gonna do a full front walk around. You do see that it has the aesthetic lines in the hood. You got two lines on the outside, obviously for aerodynamics, but also just for looks. And it does have, even though, like I said, it's an SUV, kind of a classic mom car, it does have a nice mean look to the front. So it does have some masculine features as well, which makes it great for guys and girls. You know, obviously I'm a guy driving this car, and by the way, my car is in the shop. And one of my favorite things, hidden, I guess, Easter egg with Mercedes, is that anytime your car goes in for repair, they give you a free rental car, free loaner car. So you don't have to, you know, take an Uber to the car dealership, or get one home. They literally just give you a car as long as they have one. And every single time I've taken my car in, they've had a spare loaner car for me for free. So, you know, I have a Mercedes, so anytime it needs work or it needs services, whatever, it takes a day or two, they're like, just take one of our cars. So this one actually only has 300 miles on it. So I'm one of the only, you know, one of the first drivers with the car. But yeah, let's do a quick walk around. Sorry, I'm getting a little distracted here, but you know, it comes with stock rims here, nothing too crazy, but still actually are made of metal here, which is nice. No plastic rims or anything, or hubcaps. You got the metal hubcap, metal rims with the Mercedes logo on all the rims. And yeah, let's keep doing a walk around. Nice little metal front grille on the front. Yeah, let's keep walking around. Now, the exterior is nice, but the interior is what really makes this car a luxury car, which we'll get into in a second here. Most people actually think this just kind of looks like any other old SUV, kind of like looks like a Toyota or a Honda, nothing crazy. This is kind of a more low-key Mercedes if you're looking for one. And the MSRP for this car, I believe, is around $45,000. So it definitely is expensive, but you know, still affordable to the average US household, basically, or average middle to upper class household. Yeah, you're definitely not breaking the bank if you're buying this car if you make a lot of money. You know, this is a good car for a family who makes $100,000 plus a year. This is the key that they give you. I believe it does connect to your phone as well, but yeah, this is the key, which you can use to unlock it, lock it or unlock it. A nice thing, when you do lock it, the mirrors shut automatically. They fold in, which is really nice, because when you're parking, you want to make sure people don't slam into your mirrors. And it's really nice if, you know, you put this in the garage. It just saves you an extra few inches if you have cabinets you need to get into when you unlock it. When you lock it, it lights up right here. But yeah, no sunroof. Somewhat disappointed. Most newer SUVs do have sunroofs now, but this one, no sunroof or moonroof or you know, whatever you want to even call the ones that open up. Yeah, I don't know. Obviously, I'm a little picky, but I like to have a sunroof just for when you're driving fast. I mean, not even fast, but just driving through. I live in Southern California, so having that extra little sunlight is nice. But let's open the trunk space. This one does have automatic trunk openers, so when you just hold this here, it will open up automatically, which is nice. It does come with these covers here. So everything you see here, guys, is completely stock. Like I said, this is straight out of the Mercedes dealership that I got here in Southern California. Yeah, let's just take these off. Oh, there we go. And show you guys the trunk space. Decent amount of trunk space. I wouldn't say it's huge. Definitely would not put this in a huge trunk space category, but you know, you could definitely sit back here. And I've already done a grocery load from Trader Joe's yesterday, and I was able to put a few bags here. There's enough room for 3 rows of groceries, or a couple luggage. But yeah, my Ford Escape, which is a midsize SUV, has a much larger trunk space than this one. Yeah, I mean, even if you, yeah, this thing is a little annoying. Okay, I guess you can fold it back like that, so you have optimal. Yeah, it's definitely not huge, but it's not tiny either. But yeah. Okay. This is it comes with the first aid kit. All Mercedes comes with a first aid kit. Let's put that back. I always use this, guys, because I'm afraid of people stealing the car. And a nice thing here to lock it, you have to have your key on you when you lock it, or else it won't close. The other day I was taking my groceries in, and I had the key in my pocket, and I left it inside, and then I went out, and it wouldn't shut for me, so I had to go grab the key. But yeah, I think that's almost the full exterior tour. I don't think I'm missing anything important. It does have a backup camera, which I forgot to show. You know, you'll see it from the inside, but I believe the backup camera is, where's the backup camera? Here it is. No, that's not the backup camera. Where the heck is the backup camera? Backup cam. Oh, it's up here. I believe that's the backup camera. Okay, let's hop in the back. Oh yeah, there we go. GLC 300. I actually don't know if they make, oh yeah, and another, I don't know if they make other series, but another thing for here, as long as you have the key on you, I got it in my pocket, click this, and it will open. And they actually have them on all the doors, which is nice. A lot of them only have them on the front ones. So, going inside, taking a look at the interior. This one is the tan interior. They have leather seats, really nice. Have seat warmer options. These little holes here are for where the heat comes out, so you can just see it has all the panels built into the leather. And let's just go inside. This is, by the way, if you've never had a Mercedes, or if you don't use Mercedes a lot, this is where the seat warmers are, and also this is where you adjust the seats here. I actually didn't know that. It took me like a couple days when I had the car to realize where the heck you adjust the seats. I was like, where the heck are they? And then the ones here are simply, they like change the seat cushion. Like, if you can see, it's barely moving. You probably can't even tell on camera, but it changes like the positioning of the cushion. Like it'll get a little bumped out. But yeah, the inside, my friends, of the 2022 Mercedes GLC is beautiful. Let's start up the car. Look at that, 322 miles on this car. I've put on probably about 50 of them myself since yesterday, but gosh dang, that, I know it looks flashing in the camera, but in real life it's not flashing. I don't know how to explain that. Somebody's told me before, but here's AC. I'm pumping it up because it's hot as heck out here in California right now. We're in another mini heat wave while Florida is being absolutely bombarded by a hurricane. But the interior, guys, looks so beautiful. I love these modern AC vents. The screen, like the matching blue here, I'm sure you could change the colors here. It just looks so dang beautiful, especially at night when you're driving this thing. It just looks aesthetically beautiful. I love the metal shiny chrome. This is chrome here. Actually metal, not plastic. I believe that's not plastic. I believe that's metal. I think that's plastic. But yeah, everything here, like little lighting, has lighting in here. LED, like at night, guys, this looks so sick. I love how they incorporate LED lights in here. Even underneath here, you have LED lights, which is beautiful because again at night. Sorry, I'm in my PJs, guys. Excuse me. But yeah, and then going into here, it does have, it doesn't have USB input, but we got one of these things. It's just a converter or an adapter. It's for the Android style ones, whatever these ones are called. USB-C, I believe. This is a USB-C out. Or no, I don't know what they're called, but they're, you know, the classic little ones here. And little cup holder room, drinking my Machu Picchu. Shout out Machu Picchu. Absolutely love you guys. Such great energy, organic energy seltzer. I don't know why I'm obsessed with these. Not sponsored. I wish they would sponsor me, but okay. So that's basically the whole front. It comes with, I don't believe this is actually CarPlay, which I actually hate CarPlay. So I'm glad this one doesn't have automatic CarPlay because I don't know, I don't know, I hate CarPlay for some reason. But this one here, I'll plug in my phone just so you guys can see the, you know, I know you guys probably actually don't think a lot of car reviews actually hook up their phone and show you what it's going to be like when you hook up your phone. You hook it up, you know, you got, whatever, charging it. It charges fast, by the way. It's not one of those slow chargers. And then now, oh, you can actually control the AC through here too if you'd like. So let's go to vehicle, and then let's go to let's play some music. So to add a device, you can either do Bluetooth or USB, like I said, through one of those inputs. And my device is Dylan's iPhone. Click here, connect it. Just got to make sure my Bluetooth is off. Whoops. So connect the Bluetooth. Try that one more time. Connect to my phone. Turn the music down. Oh, and the volume is right here. Conveniently, I love this. Or you can do volume right here. But yeah, I'm just listening to Post Malone. And I can't play music for copyright reasons, but the sound quality is phenomenal. It has speakers, surround sound built in, and I don't know where the bass is. I'm assuming it's built into the speakers, but to add another bass booster like a subwoofer in here would make this car, like, that's all you need. You would not need to get new speakers. This car with a subwoofer would sound so amazing. But yeah, that's the front space. I'm trying to show you guys the seats. You're actually a little bit lower to the ground than I would, much lower than my Ford Escape, my other car. This car, you're a little bit lower to the ground, but it definitely is more of a, you know, I'm sitting up a lot more. I'm sitting up in the car, but it's, you know, my legs are not perpendicular. Like my Ford, my legs are straight like that. This one, when I'm driving it, my legs are almost completely out, like you'll notice with the other cars. So back space, let's hop out. Show you guys the exterior, or the interior back. Sorry, I can't talk today. And I'll show you guys what you got back here. So you got these panels here. They actually shut flush, which is nice. And not a ton of legroom in the back, my friends. So this is definitely a con. Not a ton of legroom. I'll definitely will say this is not a ton. I mean, you're barely talking a full hand length, and I'm not a huge guy, you know. So, and you know, you picture you got a big driver in the front, 6'5" dude. The seat's gonna be all the way back. You gotta squeeze your legs in through there. Got your cup holder thing in here. Are there any cup holders? Oh yeah, there are cup holders right here. Got these weird ones here, but whatever, they work. I don't really like these, but they do the job. Okay. Put that back there. Seats fold down if you need to transfer something big. But yeah, guys, this is definitely a smaller SUV if I had to say so myself. But yeah, guys, I think that's about it for the Mercedes-Benz GLC 300. Has a little logo right here on the side. Spilled some coffee on it, don't mind myself. But yeah, guys, let me know your thoughts on this video, or if I missed out on anything, let me know if you would prefer any other thing. I can't film myself driving the car because, you know, I don't have a camera person today, but it does drive pretty smooth, has sport mode in it. Gosh, I missed a lot of features, I realize, but there you go. If you're thinking about getting this car, I mean, it's a freaking nice car. I really have enjoyed driving this car. And again, big shout out to our sponsor, Solo. Solo is an incredible business app for gig workers. Definitely check them out with the link in the description below. They'll give you $10 for signing up with their link. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you soon.